You have a story in your workpack. Let's read part of it together. Remember, we start from the left side of the page and we read across. This is one of our tricky words. Here. Here is. Here is a little black. Here is a little black cat. Point to each word as you read it, reading from left to right. If you can't read the word straight away, use your phonics to sound it out. If you get stuck, you can always look at the picture to help you. Let's read it one more time together. Here is a little black cat. Here is a little black cat. Let's read this part together. Here's one of our tricky words. Remember, we start from the left side of the page and we read across. The little black. The little black cat. The little black cat is in. The little black cat is in the. Look at the first sound of this word. What is it? T. Look at the picture to help us. The little black cat is in the tree. The little black cat is in the tree.